Hello, my name is Marco Leying. I'm with the company Krone and I'm the sales manager for South Africa. Our new Krone Varipack V165 is the top range of dry material balers that we have in the Krone product range of round balers. We have as well the chain and sled balers, but today we want to speak about that belt baler. So the new belt baler is really made for high density and high throughput. It can make bales in the size from 80 centimeters to 165 centimeters. And if we have a little bit more detailed look here on the baler, starting in the front, we have the well-known Easy Flow pickup. So it's a chemtrackless pickup that is known from all the other products, like as well the big balers of Krone. So less maintenance, higher throughput, that gives the baler the capacity it has. Behind the pickup we have the integral rotor, which is as well made for better feeding of the machine for a better bale start. This baler is available with or without cutting system. To drive the belts, we can have a look on that side here. If we open up the cover, you see, so it's mainly one chain on each side of the baler that is driving the machine. It has a central lubrication and as well a central grease bank for less and easy and quick maintenance at the end of the day, because you want to spend your day baling and not maintaining the machine. The net is easily fed inside here on the front. So as well for smaller people, it's easy to feed. This baler is available as well in a bigger bale chamber size as the V190 and makes then 80 to 190 centimeter bales. If you're more interested in that baler or in the other products that we have, come and visit us or speak to any of the Rovic people. They will help you with the whole product range of Krone products that we have here in South Africa. Thank you very much.